Hey girl, hey, this is Shakaya. Welcome back to my channel, PurityVanity, where we glow and grow. Okay, serious matter. Is anyone else's face just acting a plain fool during this quarantine? I know mine is. I don't know if it's the food I'm eating or just not being able to go to the spa. But I have a solution. I'm here for you guys. You know I got you. So if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe and be a part of the PurityVanity family. Okay, so we're going to begin with clean hands. We definitely want to practice safe hygiene or clean hygiene. So I'll be using the cotton tissue by Amazon. I actually got these tissues. They're really good to use for your face, your body. They're really durable and they're really soft and 100% cotton. You can use them wet or dry. So I'm just going to use them to dampen my face. So before I get started, I will be putting my water into my steamer. Note to use distilled water. You do not want to use tap water because it can mess up your steamer, but I love this steamer. I got this from Amazon and I love it. So I'll be using the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser to cleanse my face. Hearing the steam going, and that's just getting me so happy. But I do not use a brush or anything like that. You can use your hands. It's perfectly fine to use your hands for at least 60 seconds. Your face will be clean. And I did not believe it. I've seen it on Twitter and I'm like, okay, this is crazy, but it really is true, and it does cut down on the bacteria that you are placing onto your face. But if you do want a more deeper clean, you can definitely do that with your exfoliation, which is coming up next. So I'm just continuing to rub that into my face with the steam going on to help open up my pores to get it clean. So I do have a bowl in front of me. I'm just going to rinse the cleanser off my face, or you can just go into the bathroom, but since I had the bowl there, I just used it. And I'll be using the cotton tissue that I have for my face, or my facial tissues, just to kind of get all that product off of my face. I'm just going to get it dry, so a little bit around my eyes. So next I will be steaming just a little bit more. I love this steamer, you guys. So for my exfoliation, I'll be using the Acure Radically Rejuvenation Facial Scrub. It has Moroccan red clay and rose oil. And so you guys will see that red clay in the next clip. And as you can see, it looks kind of gross a little bit, but it actually smells really, really good. And it has little beads in it, which help with exfoliation. It's a very gentle exfoliation, because with your skin, you don't want to use too harsh of exfoliation because sometimes it can cut your face. Even though it doesn't feel like it, but it can cut your face just a little bit. But I really do enjoy this scrub. I actually got it from Marshall's, I believe, for about $6. So I'm just going to focus on my areas where I do get breakouts, just like on my cheeks, around my nose, on my nose, and like my T-zone. So I had to go to the bathroom to rinse that off because it does, yeah. So I will be using the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarifying Mud Mask. It's not my favorite, but it is affordable and you can get it from your local drugstore. And I'll be supplying that with a mask facial, I don't know what this thing is called. It's like a facial brush, but it's not like an actual brush. So I will be just letting that stay on my face for about 10 minutes. And you just chill out and just, read, look on your phone, whatever. So I did rinse that mask off with cold water to close my pores. That is what you want to do. You open the pores up with the steam and the warm water, and then you close it with your cold water. So I'll be using the Thayers Facial Toner with Witch Hazel, and I'll be using that with a cotton pad. I'm not rubbing it in, I'm more so patting the toner in because you want that product to go into your skin. So after the toner, you would want to put on your face serum. I will be using the Drunk Elephant TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum because it's during the night, but if it is during the day, I would use my Drunk Elephant C Firma Day Serum. So I'm just going to apply that onto my fingertips, rub it in, and then apply it onto my face. So during this time, it's self-care to show that your skin that you love it, press it into the skin. So after the serum, I will be applying my Drunk Elephant eye cream, which is called Sea Tingle Multivitamin Eye Cream. I'll be applying that onto my ring finger and then applying it underneath my eyes. And last but not least, I will be moisturizing with my Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream. And this stuff is so hydrating and I love it. And please ignore those little fuzzies, the cotton pads that I use to apply my toner. It got everywhere. Oh my gosh, it got everywhere. Like this. But as you can see, my face just looks a little bit more lively, and I definitely use this to clear up my skin. As you can see, I do experience breakouts. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this at-home facial that you can do while you are quarantined for coronavirus. But seriously, guys, I hope that you really enjoyed this, and I hope that you guys stay safe and stay well. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out. Bye, guys.